Okay, so this time we're going to bisect an angle. I'll put a title on it. Alright, so of course we have to have an angle to start with. So draw an angle. Again, I'm going to draw an acute one, but the same process will actually work for any angle, be it obtuse or right or even straight. Okay, so here's my starting angle. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is just draw an arc. Now, it doesn't matter per se how long I put the compass setting. Of course, the bigger I make it, the more space this is going to take up, so that's one consideration. And then the smaller I make it, the harder it's going to be accurate. So just some moderate length for my arc right there. So there's my arc. And for reference, I'll call these 2 points B and C. That's the same thing we did to start our construction of copying the lines. But here's where it's going to be different. So choosing, again, not necessarily the same compass setting as the original, but the same compass setting for the next 2 arcs. I'm going to do something smaller so that it's not way off here. But it needs to go at least halfway across my angle, or the 2 arcs I draw won't meet. So just somewhere out there. So I'm going to draw an arc centered at point B. And I'm going to draw an arc centered at point C. And I'm only going to draw enough of them that I know they're going to cross. So this is where I, as I said before, slay the Cyclops. We poked out the Cyclops' eye. And he's really sad. Maybe if you look at it this way. Okay. And I'm going to call this point where those arcs meet D. And again, because I use the same compass setting, and we'll talk about in more detail later why this is true, but this point D is going to be the same distance from both of these rays. Now, we're going to draw in the actual angle bisector itself, which is this ray that cuts the angle in half. This would be ray AD. And that is the angle bisector. Okay. So when we drew a second bisector, when we bisected